The problem we want to solve for the self-guided solution is being able to capture scoping from or for an issue or an event or make ready from anybody anywhere. All they need to get is this URL right here. That can come from a QR code, it can come from an SMS, it can come from any way you want to get it set up there. But all they need is a URL. They don't need an app to download at all. They register the session. So in this case here, select the guide for the session. So rent ready checklist kitchen. So let's call this 123 Maple Drive, whatever, Kansas City. Okay, sure, submit it. And then what we're going to do here is we'll send an SMS message to this device and that phone, and that SMS message, your inspection request is ready to go. Please click link to proceed. Again, no app required, happens all instantly. And they click on that link. They get their login flow sequence. So allow location. Iris Homes is standing by. This is all customizable. Allow. All right, join. That's here. And then we get the flow. I'm going to go to my kitchen here and I'll just take some pictures. So you can see on the screen here, there is photo and everything. So in this case, hey, let's take a look at the cabinets. All the cabinets, so I see a bit of wear and tear right there. That's probably from just steam from the stove. Okay, check cabinets. Otherwise, cabinets look great. Just need to fix the end butts there. Test the sink stopper and garbage disposal. Okay, so let's run some water here. Garbage disposal works. Picture there. Sink stopper. Okay, that works. Next. Inspect the stove and oven. Okay. Still gas is working there. Gas is working there. And then if we need to get any details in here, we can capture information there. Capture information there. Stove looks good. You get the idea. And then we can exit. Yeah. So that's what the self-guided looks like. And I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And then you can drop. All right, so when you finish off the session, you can go back and take a look at all the different elements that were captured in the self-guided inspection. And so here, ensure the sink stopper and garbage disposal are working, functioning correctly. Here we go. Take a look at my summary. Here I got the summary of the whole walkthrough, right at my fingertips. No more frustrations around what was seen, what's the quality of the inspection. All that's gone. Take a look at the review. If I actually want to get into, okay, show me the stove working. Here, there's the stove.
Gas is working there.
You can see it.
And then
you
if we
hear it, all those things that you kind of lose, the data that you lose because we're using paper forms or maybe even digital forms that don't capture the detail. Get the details of the session, intake form details, gallery, and then here's the gallery of all the items. So even you get into the different devices, you can capture all of the asset tags all at the same time. That's all part of what we look to solve for. The frustration around capturing the data, the frustration of the quality of the data, the frustration of being able to review that data afterwards.